Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free SEO analysis of a website, Flamingo Earth Beads. So uh, this is a overview of the SEO score. It's 51 out of 100, and there are a few areas that can be improved. The Google snippet looks okay, but the characters, you've got too many characters. So if this listing would be displayed in Google search results, it would be cut off at the end because the limit is 60 characters for meta title and about 160 characters for the meta description. So make sure to fit within this limit to display your meta title and meta description in full. Otherwise, they are defined and they describe what you're offering. You also have call to action, which is fantastic. Your heading structure looks great. I only noticed that you don't have H1 tag, which is quite important for SEO, so make sure to add it. It should really be assigned to a page title, so I'm not sure why it is not showing. I would definitely recommend looking into your homepage coding, because obviously that definitely can affect your SEO. Shop for, you can definitely add more defined keywords here into those tags to improve your SEO. When it comes to the written content, your most used words are beads, price, regular, and so on. So, I mean, it's not bad. Obviously, beads is important, but instead of price and regular, you could add more frequency of those kind of words like check and glass, so people have a better idea what is your need. Okay, the other SEO tool will give us a little bit more info. So you've got all the title tags, meta description tags in place. The keyword consistency, that's what I already mentioned. That can definitely do a bit of work. Your images, some of them are missing alt tag, so make sure to add these. They can help you get found in Google image search results. So it's quite important to optimize them. You've got no backlinks. I assume your website is still very young, but if you would love to improve your SEO, definitely work on backlinks as well. You've got two broken links on the home page. I've got the broken links analysis here. So perhaps just Instagram. Instagram seems to be broken, so make sure to check it. I'll just quickly check the Instagram in your footer. Also open the links in new tab so you don't lose traffic. Yeah, Instagram link definitely needs checking, so make sure to update it. What else do we see? So friendly URLs. It's better to opt for shorter URLs that are more descriptive. Perhaps your URLs are a little bit too long. That can affect how Google reads your URLs and how they rank your listings in the search results. So opt for shorter and more defined URLs, which is this slug value in the Shopify. All those values seem good. Okay, optimize images, which already was mentioned. Your website is super fast, so it loads within 1.21 seconds, so there's nothing to worry about in this area. And your website is also mobile friendly. So this is a free SEO analysis by Rock Paper Copy, and if you would like to receive a full website critique, including your website your website design, conversion potential, and the content, please request a full website critique, and the details are in your email. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.